Five9 Security Manager is today's only solution for comprehensive protection of a Windows Server 2012 Hyper-V infrastructure. It's agentless, powerful, easy to use, cost-effective, and the best way to secure your Hyper-V 2012 hosts and virtual machines. Utilizing the new Hyper-V 2012 extensible switch, Five9 Security Manager provides antivirus, anti-malware, intrusion prevention, and a stateful virtual firewall that provides ability to control network traffic between virtual machines as well as between virtual machines and Hyper-V external networks. Five9 Security Manager can do all this faster and more efficiently than any other comparable solution. The Microsoft virtualization platform is rapidly growing and accelerated with the release of Windows 8 and Windows Server 2012 Hyper-V. Five9 Security Manager is being used by an increasing number of service providers, enterprises, and SMBs. With multiple editions available, their industry-standard Security Manager tool is the right solution to protect your virtual infrastructure. To try it out for yourself, it's easy to evaluate Five9 Security Manager from the Five9 homepage. You'll receive a link via email to download the Data Center edition of Five9 Security Manager and a trial license. I've already downloaded the Data Center edition of Five9 Security Manager from Five9.com, and I've installed free Microsoft SQL 2012 Compact Edition to serve as our database. To start the installation, I'll run the setup program extracted from the download. From here, the setup wizard will walk you through the short installation process. Keep in mind that besides having Windows 8 or Windows 2012, the main installation requirement is that you already have a configured instance of SQL Server 2012 Standard, Express, or Compact Edition available. If you don't have an SQL database already, you can do as I did and install the free Microsoft SQL Server 2012 Compact Edition. Moving on, we'll click Next to continue. Next to install the application for all users. Next to accept the end-user license agreement. In our case, we'll opt to use the Install SQL Server Compact Edition already installed for this lab environment. Of course, in a production environment, you would use a more robust SQL install such as SQL Server Standard Edition. The installation wizard can automatically push the Five9 Security Manager out to other Hyper-V hosts in the domain. However, today, we'll choose not to perform remote install and click Next and then Next to begin the installation. We'll select the license file provided by Five9.com via the email you received when you signed up for the evaluation. Now click OK. Enter the account information for the account that can provide remote PowerShell WMI access to the virtual machines. This will be used by the newly installed Five9 Windows service to do its job. Select the server that is to be monitored and click OK. Click Next to start the installation. After a few seconds, you will see that the installation is complete. Click Close to complete the installation. Assuming this isn't a production server, click Yes to restart your Windows Hyper-V host. With the Windows 2012 server restarted, if you look in Hyper-V Manager and inside the Hyper-V Virtual Switch, you'll find that a new Virtual Switch extension has been enabled that allows Five9 Security Manager to filter virtual network traffic. Upon launching Five9 Security Manager, you'll see that it has already recognized your Hyper-V host and virtual machines. It's easy to right-click on a virtual machine and enable firewall monitoring. The virtual machine settings allow us to control what we want logged related to the traffic allowed or blocked by the virtual firewall. Here we can also throttle network bandwidth to and from the virtual machine. It's also easy to protect the virtual machine from malware by performing an antivirus scan at the click of a button. From the menu bar, you can add more Hyper-V hosts to be secured with Five9 Security Manager, add virtual firewall rules, and configure settings on the virtual firewall and antivirus. Five9 Security Manager makes adding virtual firewall rules easy with predefined network protocols and knowledge of your virtual machines, such that you can easily define a firewall rule between one named virtual machine and another. For more information on Five9 Security Manager, visit www.five9.com.